Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a western Kentucky cornfield where a pair of Class 8 New Holland CR 8.90 twin rotor combines are harvesting the crop. These big machines are rated at 496 horsepower, feature a 410 bushel grain tank that unloads through a 28.9 inch auger that has the optional double folding feature at 4.5 bushels per second. In this video, I'd like to take you out into the field and up into the cab of these machines to see the corn harvest. The combines are harvesting corn that was planted on 20-inch rows. One machine has a 12-row head and the other is using an 18-row head. I will also climb up into the cab of the farm's 400 engine horsepower New Holland T9.450 articulated four-wheel drive tractor, which is operating a J&M 1401 Grainstorm grain cart. We'll see the operator's perspective of running with the Class 8 combines, unloading on the go, and filling the semi-trucks. Let's head out to the field now so you can see and hear all this big blue corn harvesting action. 12 rows at a time with a 20-inch spacing. And you can see the operator's perspective running this large Class 8 combine. It has a lot of modern conveniences and handy controls. And look over here and see the operator's joystick. It's kind of just like a big video game. It controls the machine. So this, just at your fingertips, you've got all the controls for the combine right there.
I do indeed. Got the control right here raises the corn head up and down. This here would raise your reel up and down for your grain table. These control your auger. That also controls the spout on the end, which can put corn out at different angles. Turns on and off your auger. And this here speeds or slows down your reel, or is the reverser, which is a switch right here to reverse your feeder house if you kind of get it gummed up a little bit. The red button there, it kills everything immediately. Emergency stop. This over here on your run strings, as you see, we've got 3/4 of a grain tank. This tells me my moisture, my dry yield, average dry yield. This is where you set up what farm you're on. This screen's going to give you, if we were running in auto steer, which we're not, this would give you your grid. You can also set and see what your yields are doing by the different colors. This screen here provides you with a backup camera, which you can also look at to see if your chopper's working. Your feeder speed, again, it's got your chopper speed, sieve angles, header tilt. Last runs all your engine works, where you've got your hydraulic oil, engine oil temperature, fuel level.
So one of the things that it monitors is your rotor speed. This is a twin rotor combine, so you have two cones there on the screen that show you what's happening.
These cones are, the first cone is for the rotor, you can see. The second one is for your sieves, which shake and separate the grain from the chaff, and the third is for your tailings. The preferred color is green when you're running through the field. I'm going very slow right now because I'm talking, but the preferred color is green, and if you get in, it goes yellow and red. And see if I can get a yellow for you here. If I speed up a little bit, times, what you want to do is be going to where the green is filling the cone. See, now they both bounced yellow. You are keeping your rotor full, but you preferably want to slow down a little bit where those are all in the green.
Okay.
Red is kind of a sign you might want to adjust your speed or your concave, or your something on the machine. But that's what they do. That's your rotor, your sieves, and your tailings, which is throwing it out the back.
A lot of good tech.
It's needed to be efficient. And the last run here is, again, if you were running auto steer, you could nudge the machine over just a little bit and do some things with your yield monitor. So you can do all that right here, and then all your buttons are pretty self-explanatory here. 4-wheel drive, close your grain tank, unfold the auger, auto steer. If you're traveling down the road, you'll hit that button, pick up a little more speed.
I really like that how they have the combine mapped out there, where whatever you're touching is also what's going to happen on the combine.
It makes it easy when you need to touch something quick. You think you know where it is, and then you can look real quick and hit the button if you need to. Of course, these two control the threshing unit and the header.
I also see your lights are the same way up here on the controls. Just touch a button and you can put a light on where you need it.
The yellow beacons will come on automatically when this gets to 3/4 of a tank full, and alert the tractor, the grain cart, that you're beginning to get full. And then you've got white for your field lights. Yellow is if your lights that are underneath the machine, if you have to stop and work on it. And then your green light right there, yellow, is if you're on the road. all the flashers on. So you just need to really monitor. I keep it on this screen because I monitor the rotor speed and the concave clearance quite a bit, and look in the tank to make sure the sample's coming out clean.
It's a well laid out combine, easy to operate.
Yes, it's a good machine.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in this Western Kentucky cornfield during the harvest with the New Holland CR 8.90 twin rotor combines. Does your farming operation rely on New Holland combines to harvest your crops? I'd like to hear what model your operation uses and what crops that you harvest with it. Let me know about it in the comment section of this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.